Hello class, welcome to week 1. As always, and you're going to hear me mention this time and time again, make sure you check the announcement section when you enter into the course shell. This is where I communicate with you primarily, and sometimes you'll receive these in an announcement, but other times when I posted or made the announcements ahead of time, you will not. So make sure you look in the announcements. Let's go forward to week 1. For week 1, you will be reviewing chapters 1 through 4 in the McGoldrick text. And then also, you'll notice that there's a folder here. If you click in this folder, there's multiple sources of information, PowerPoints, articles, notes for you to review in regards to your course content for week 1. So that's what's in that folder in regards to readings and preparation. It talks about here to start working on your lifespan paper that is due by midnight at the end of week 7. I'm going to post another announcement about the lifespan paper in a little bit, but really start working on this and thinking about it as it's a big paper and it really is kind of the capstone for this class. So what is graded this week? You are to participate in the discussion board and your video intro post. So your discussion board prompt is noted below. You are to post your initial posting Thursday by midnight and to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. Now, when you're thinking about your responses, make sure that they are substantial in nature. There's some highlights down here as to what you can say to your peers, how you can respond, how you can add additional insights, questions, research. So make sure that you do that as well. It's important to note too in your initial posting that you need to find at least 2 articles outside of your textbook to support your response. These should be cited within your response and make sure you utilize APA responses as well. So that is important to note within your initial response that you have at least 2 sources cited as well. Besides that, you have your week 1 student video introduction forum. You are to complete this Sunday by midnight as well. There's some prompts here below that talk about what you can answer. And there's also a video about how to utilize Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I use for all my video announcements as well. So you can get to this board here, or you can also get to either of these forums by clicking on the discussion board tab over here. So once again, here's the intro posting. You'll click on that. You'll create a thread and you'll post your video. And you can also see the additional week 1 prompt as well. So that's what we have for week 1. You have your regular discussion board. The initial prompt is due Thursday by midnight. Make sure that you have at least 2 articles outside resources that aren't your text, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers Sunday by midnight. And you have your video introduction post that is due Sunday by midnight. And continue to start thinking about your lifespan paper that is due at the end of week 7. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to our time together throughout this course. Thank you.